Welcome to English with Cheryl. Today we have 30 simple English grammar questions. How many do you answer correctly? So let's go!
She is interested in painting. The book is lying on the table. He is allergic to cats. We are going for a vacation next month. The cat jumped over the fence. She is good at playing the piano. They arrived at the airport on time. We were surprised by his decision. He is accused of stealing the money. Let's meet at the coffee shop. She goes to the store before it closes. The cat sat on its windowsill. Please pass me the salt. The students are excited about the upcoming field trip. My sister and I enjoy reading books, but we prefer movies. The cake tastes delicious. They couldn't decide which movie to watch. My brother and I are going to the concert tomorrow. The weather is too hot, but we should stay indoors. I can't find my keys anywhere. The movie was better than I expected. She doesn't have much time to finish the project. I haven't seen him since last month. Can you give me much information about the program? We went to the beach, but we didn't stay long. My brother is better at playing chess. She is allergic to cats. I can't find my keys anywhere. The weather is nice, but I forgot my jacket. Can you tell me where the bank is?